So a sister asked a question. Can we cook food without adding any seasoned salt? Yes, we can do that. You can make your own spice at home or blend this natural spice and then you will love it. I sometimes add onion seed, but when I'm doing PalmNut soup, I feed the onion seed flavor, so I don't add it when I'm doing PalmNut soup, but other recipes, I do add them. Blend this and then you will love it. And good food, good health. We make it kambo mono, ne ye tiankasa extra ginger for more flavor. Added turkey berry, spring onion to build those flavors that you need. You want to enjoy the food and enjoy it in a good way. So you have it. Try this and let me know if you enjoy this recipe. Thank you all for watching. Home sweet food. Adriana Pa. Tangasa.
Ubedinswa home sweet food. Adrianepa menije Adrianepa awareso Adrianepa mapomudin. Home sweet food. Adrianepa menije Adrianepa awareso Adrianepa mapomudin. Home sweet food. Yebechere